Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out Litecoin. And if you remember in the previous video, we were right around this area. And the idea was that maybe we're going to have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down, which on a higher degree, if you want to be optimistic in LTC, it might be into the C leg of an A, B, C expanded flat starting from this side. So what happened? We did go down, but I have a feeling that maybe our move down at the moment in LTC is not over yet. Why is that? I do think this is this is a correction for wave 2, but from this high right in here, we may have just a simple 5 wave down to about this low. You see? Let's zoom in more. Okay. I'm thinking starting from here, we may have an A, B, C in form of a running flat. And why is this so important? Because on a higher degree, maybe that running flat is going to be into a wave 4, another move down into wave 5, which on a higher degree, this white 5 wave down, it's going to be into a wave 3. And what are we going to have at the moment if this scenario is in play? A corrective movement for wave 4, and then we can expect another move down into wave 5 in Litecoin. So for now, in my opinion, we should be a bit careful and be patient and see what is going to happen in this area. And sure, if we see like a very strong impulse in order to get out of this region, okay, at that point you are going to see me changing my tone a bit on LTC. But for now, I think it's a bit too soon to jump into that kind of bullish conclusion. Now, question, what happens if in the next move on the downside, if we're going to get it, in Litecoin, we take the lowest low down here about $83.50. At that point, this 1 and a 2 scenario is not going to be in play, and we're going to say this is still a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down, but it might be on a higher degree into either a wave 5 or maybe the C leg of an ABC. And here is a very important point for you. The recovery phase at that point is going to take some time. Why is that? You see, in Litecoin, the idea is if you want to be bullish, this is a wave 1, correction for 2. Now, if this is happening, what's going to happen next? A big move up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. But if we take the lows in here, at that point, this 1 and 2 is not going to be in play. And if from these areas, we are going to get a very strong bounce back and start the next phase of the bull run. What are we going to have in the initial phase? You know it, a 1 and a 2, which is going to, again, take some time. So this is the difference between taking this low and not taking it in the last move down that we might get in LTC. So for now, overall, let's be a bit patient and see what's going to happen in this area and be prepared, please, for another move on the downside. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Litecoin. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time with your family and loved ones. Goodbye.